Starting off, I want to go and thank you for 250 subscribers. It's really nice to just see that happen. Also, if there's any other tutorials you want me to make, just let me know. But yeah, for today, I would just be teaching you all the in and outs of the NPC entity. So, in order to get the NPC, you just type in /summon NPC, just like this, to place down the NPC. You can also get a spawn egg for it after you use the command. Like, you can't get the NPC from here. So yeah, once you have the NPC down, I'm going to really get in depth with this entity. So the NPC, when in creative mode, it looks different than when in survival mode. So when you're in creative mode, you get a lot more options. So if you right click it, left clicking it will kill it, just like that. If you right click it, it will open it up. From here, you just see the name. You could change this to whatever. Like you could do subscribe, you could do TDR, you could do. I'll just do buff NPC for this, or buff shop. So now it's buff shop. You can also change the color if you know how to do that, all that stuff. And then we have edit dialog, which means when you go into it in survival, it'll say stuff. So for this, I'll just do, this is a shop NPC, enjoy. That's the edit dialog. This will just make it so when you open it up, it will display this text. And then you have the appearance. This stuff just changes what it looks like. So I guess I'll make it look a bit like a computer guy. So now we have this guy. It's a little computer, just like that. Named Buff Shop with this dialogue. Of course, all this can be whatever you want. You can color it. And then you need to go to advanced settings, and this is where you do the cool stuff. So in advanced settings, you're able to go and add commands. So I'm gonna just make a simple command. So this is I'm gonna do /effect at p speed 10 1 true. Should do 10 5 true. So this is just giving me speed. And then here you'll see it as on button mode, on enter, or on exit. Currently it's set to on exit, which means that when we exit this NPC, we will get speed. And I'll show you what this looks like real quick. So if we go to survival, and we right click, open it up, it says this is a shop NPC, and then we leave, now we have speed, just like that. But generally the one that you're going to want to be using for this, although you don't have to, is either on enter or button mode. So on button mode, I'll just call this speed buy. So if you have it on button mode, then when you open it up, it'll say this is a shop NPC, and then it will put a little button on the bottom left to buy things. So if I click this, yeah, I got speed. Let's go.